How to optimize Fire Kirin performance on low-end devices. First of all, before opening Fire Kirin, close all other apps running in the background to free up your device memory and improve game performance. Next, reduce your device screen brightness and turn off any unnecessary notifications to save battery and processing power. Make sure your device has enough free storage space by deleting unused apps or files, as low storage can slow down the game. Try to play the game with a stable internet connection to avoid lag or delays. If your device allows, enable battery saver or performance mode in your phone system settings to optimize overall speed. Restart your device before starting Fire Kirin to clear temporary files and free up resources. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy smoother gameplay on low-end devices. Now you know how to optimize Fire Kirin performance on low-end devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.